Today in our showroom is this rather nice Triumph 675 Street Triple R. So this is a 15 plate with, I'll just bring you up the mileage, so 8951 miles, so just under 9,000 miles. So this is the brief video that we do round the bike to show you what's left after the valet. So starting off at the front, got a nice little screen there, power bronze, got a dark tint, nice little nose cone there, nice headlights, no marks in them, very good condition mudguard, both sides. It's like this pearlescent white metallic going through. Nice front wheel, lots of life left in the tyre. Discs are all good. Coming down the side here, nice paintwork. Got the engine crash bars there as well. Engine casings are all as they should be, nice. Lower fairing is nice as well. Good little exhaust there. Nice framework. All good down the sides. Nice back wheel as well. Got the little bungs there for your paddock stand. Nice rear tyre there as well. Very good condition. Has got a little tail tidy there as well. Nice paintwork around the side there. Has got the cowl there which adds to it. There's a couple of very fine scratches just along there, but you can't really see them. Nice paintwork. Chain and sprockets are good as well. It's got carbon fibre. Pretty sure the carbon fibre scratch plates. This wire here is just for our own use, just keep the bikes charged. Nice engine casings this side, again the engine bar there as well, very good condition. Got the adjustable levers there as well. Nice mirrors. A little tiny bit of marking just on the end there, nothing untoward. Nice round all the front there. Nice tank. It has got a couple of little tiny marks just on the corner there and just there. Other than that, it's all good. Nice seat as well. So, if you'd like to come and view this bike, we're at Ryder Motorcycles in Castle Road in Sittingbourne, in Kent. Open 9 AM to 5 PM, Tuesday to Saturday. If you can't get down at all, please don't hesitate, give us a call. We will answer any questions about the bike. Alright, thanks ever so much.